Basta, okay? Welcome to the video.
You're too slow!
Where the game is called Sanic. The game Oh my goodness, this is okay. Oh my goodness! See the slide? Apparently I have a crowbar. Ooh, okay. See. Oh my. Okay, we click that. Okay. Oh, hello, amigo. Okay, let's find those demons. Or I say that Senicals.
What does the fox say?
That Sanic. What's that? Take the blood.
What does the fox?
What does the fox say?
What does the fox say?
But Amy? Where's Amy? Wait, where is even Amy? Where's Ame? Or Amy? That's
Fear of falling apart.
there's a Whoa, what is that? Ah!
What does the fox say? What does the fox say? What does the fox say?
I don't want to do it anymore.
Whoa. If you love me, let me go. 'Cause these words are knives.
No.
Fear of falling apart. Oh, whoa.
Whoa. Get the treasure.
What does the fox say?
What does
the fox say?
Words are knives that often leave scars. The fear of falling apart. And truth be told, I was never yours. Fear of falling apart. Oh, whoa, 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 oh, oh, whoa. If you love me, let me go.
Oh my goodness, this is really terrifying. Even is this game this looks like a horror game. Oh my god, this is actually kind of terrifying. This is probably like Gmod, like scary.
Oh, whoa.
What does the fox say?
Okay, good. We're back. Oh my god.
Come on, step it up.
Then you step it up. Where is it?
What does the fox say? Hurry, 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 hurry,
Fear of falling apart. And truth be told, I was never yours. Fear of
This is probably torture. They're in there.
Words are knives that often leave scars. The fear of falling apart. And truth be told, I was never yours. Fear of falling apart.
What does the fox say? Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Okay, good. Let me try the call. I need that truck.
You're falling apart. And truth be told, I was never. If you love me, words are knives that often leave scars. The fear of falling apart. I was never yours. Fear of
The truck is mine. Very bro. Go there. If you do no, I need that car.
If you love me, let me go.
No, I don't know.
If you love me, let me go. 'Cause these words are knives that often leave scars. The fear of falling apart. And
This will be the end of the video, but the last one is like this. Destroy!